Are you tired of the same old breakfast routine? Day after day, the same uninspiring toast and coffee, leaving you feeling unexcited and unmotivated to start your day? We've all been there, staring at a plain breakfast plate, wishing for something more. Do you crave something fun, delicious, and easy to make? Imagine waking up to a breakfast that not only satisfies your hunger, but also brings a smile to your face. A breakfast that's not just a meal, but an experience. Something that's quick to prepare, yet bursting with flavors and creativity. Well, get ready to explore the wonderful world of breakfast hacks with the star of the show, the tortilla. This versatile flatbread is about to revolutionize your mornings. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're in a rush or have time to spare, tortillas can be your go-to ingredient for a variety of mouth-watering dishes. This humble flatbread is about to become your new best friend in the kitchen. It's not just for wraps or burritos anymore. With a little creativity, tortillas can be transformed into a multitude of breakfast delights that are sure to impress. Think outside the box and let your culinary imagination run wild. We're going to embark on a culinary adventure, starting with a recipe that will redefine your mornings. The tortilla roll pizza. Imagine a pizza that's ready in minutes with a crispy tortilla base, topped with your favorite ingredients. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick yet satisfying. Get ready to be amazed by its simplicity and incredible flavor. The tortilla roll pizza is not only easy to make, but also customizable to suit your taste. Add some fresh veggies, a sprinkle of cheese, and your favorite sauce, and you've got a breakfast that's both nutritious and delicious. It's a hit with kids and adults alike, making it a great option for family breakfasts. And that's not all. We'll also dive into other exciting tortilla-based breakfast creations like the savory tortilla corned beef and the playful quadrant tortilla. The tortilla corned beef is a hearty option that's perfect for those who love a savory start to their day. Meanwhile, the quadrant tortilla offers a fun twist with its 4 different fillings, providing a little bit of everything in each bite. So put on your apron, grab your ingredients, and let's get cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, these tortilla-based recipes are easy to follow and guaranteed to bring excitement to your breakfast table. Join us on this delicious journey and discover how a simple tortilla can transform your mornings into a culinary adventure. Let's make breakfast the best meal of the day. Imagine this: a warm, crispy tortilla enveloping melted cheese, savory sausage, and a hint of sweet tomato. Sounds delicious, right? That's the magic of the tortilla roll pizza, a breakfast game changer that will have you running to the kitchen every morning. This recipe is incredibly versatile. You can add your favorite toppings, from veggies to different cheeses, making it your own personal piece. And the best part? It's ready in minutes. It's ready in minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings. Get ready to say goodbye to boring breakfast and hello to a world of flavor with the tortilla roll pizza. Let's break down the process of creating this breakfast wonder. Today, we're going to transform simple ingredients into a delightful tortilla roll pizza that will make your mornings brighter and your taste buds dance with joy. This recipe is perfect for those who love a hearty breakfast but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen. So let's get started and see how easy it is to whip up this delicious dish. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With just a few steps, you'll have a mouth-watering breakfast ready to enjoy. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is foolproof and guaranteed to impress. Step 1. Sizzle up some sausage. The first step to creating our tortilla roll pizza is to cook the sausage. This will be the savory base of our dish, adding a rich and hearty flavor that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Heat a little oil in a pan and cook your favorite breakfast sausage slices until they're nice and golden brown. Make sure to cook them evenly on both sides to get that perfect crispy texture. The aroma of sizzling sausage will fill your kitchen, making it hard to resist sneaking a taste. Step 2. Tomato time. Now that our sausage is cooked to perfection, it's time to add a burst of freshness with some juicy tomatoes. Thinly slice a juicy tomato and lay those slices over the cooked sausage. The tomatoes will add a lovely contrast to the savory sausage, bringing a touch of sweetness and acidity to the dish. Step 3. Cheese, please. No pizza is complete without a generous helping of cheese. Sprinkle a generous handful of shredded mozzarella cheese over the tomato and sausage. The cheese will melt beautifully, creating a gooey and delicious layer that ties all the flavors together. The more cheese, the gooier and more delicious it will be. Don't be afraid to add a little extra if you're a cheese lover. The melted cheese will create a luscious, creamy texture that makes every bite irresistible. Step 4. The egg sealant addition. Eggs are a staple in any breakfast dish, and they add a wonderful richness to our tortilla roll pizza. Whisk a couple of eggs in a bowl, season them with salt and pepper, and pour this eggy goodness over the cheesy mixture in the pan. The eggs will help bind all the ingredients together, creating a cohesive and satisfying dish. Make sure to whisk the eggs well to incorporate air, which will make them light and fluffy when cooked. Step 5. Let's get rolling. Simmer for a few minutes until the eggs are set and the cheese is melted. This step is crucial as it ensures that all the flavors meld together beautifully. The eggs should be fully cooked but still tender, and the cheese should be melted and bubbly. As the eggs cook, you'll notice the cheese melting into a gooey, delicious layer that envelops the sausage and tomatoes. The combination of textures and flavors is simply divine. Now carefully slide the cheesy, sausagey goodness onto a warm tortilla. The tortilla acts as the perfect vessel for our breakfast creation, adding a soft and slightly chewy texture that complements the other ingredients. Step 6, the grand finale. To add a touch of freshness and a burst of flavor, sprinkle some fresh basil leaves on top. The basil will add a lovely herbal note that elevates the dish and makes it feel even more special. Then, tightly roll up your tortilla, slice it into bite-sized pieces, and voila! The rolling process is key to ensuring that all the ingredients stay together, creating a neat and portable breakfast treat. Your very own tortilla roll pizza is ready to be devoured. These bite-sized pieces are perfect for a quick breakfast on the go, a brunch with friends, or even a fun family meal. The combination of savory sausage, juicy tomatoes, gooey cheese, and fluffy eggs all wrapped in a warm tortilla is simply irresistible. Enjoy your creation with a cup of coffee or a glass of fresh juice and savor every bite. This tortilla roll pizza is not only delicious but also versatile. Feel free to experiment with different ingredients, such as adding some sautéed spinach, bell peppers, or even a sprinkle of hot sauce for a spicy kick. The possibilities are endless, and you can customize it to suit your taste preferences. So, the next time you're looking for a quick and satisfying breakfast, remember this recipe and treat yourself to a delightful tortilla roll pizza. Happy cooking! Section 4. Variations on a theme. Your pizza, your way. Welcome to a world where your culinary creativity knows no bounds. Today we dive into the endless possibilities of the tortilla roll pizza, a canvas for your gastronomic imagination. One of the best things about the tortilla roll pizza is its versatility. Whether you're a fan of classic flavors or adventurous combinations, this pizza can be tailored to suit any palate. The thin, crispy tortilla base provides the perfect foundation for a myriad of toppings, allowing you to craft a pizza that is uniquely yours. Feel free to get creative and customize it with your favorite ingredients. The beauty of the tortilla roll pizza lies in its adaptability. From traditional toppings like pepperoni and mozzarella to more unconventional choices like goat cheese and arugula, the sky's the limit. Imagine a pizza that reflects your personal taste and culinary preferences. Veggie delight? Add some chopped bell peppers, onions, or spinach for a healthier twist. These vibrant vegetables not only add a burst of color, but also pack a punch of nutrients. You can even experiment with other veggies like zucchini, mushrooms, or cherry tomatoes. The fresh, crisp texture of the vegetables complements the crunchy tortilla base perfectly. Meat lovers' dream. Swap out the sausage for bacon, ham, or even chorizo for a meatier delight. For those who crave a hearty, protein-packed meal, this variation is sure to satisfy. The smoky, savory flavors of the meats meld beautifully with the rich tomato sauce and gooey cheese, creating a pizza that's indulgent and satisfying. Spicy fiesta. Spice things up with some jalapenos, hot sauce, or a sprinkle of chili flakes. If you love a bit of heat, this variation is for you. The fiery kick from the jalapenos and hot sauce adds an exciting dimension to your pizza, making each bite a thrilling experience. You can also add some crushed red pepper flakes or a drizzle of sriracha for an extra punch. Supreme indulgence. Go all out with a combination of your favorite meats, veggies, and cheeses. The possibilities are endless. Imagine a pizza loaded with pepperoni, sausage, bell peppers, onions, olives, and a blend of cheeses. Each bite offers a symphony of flavors and textures, making it a true feast for the senses. This is the ultimate pizza experience for those who want it all. Don't be afraid to experiment and create your own signature tortilla roll pizza. The beauty of this dish is that it encourages creativity and personalization. Try adding some unexpected ingredients like pineapple, artichoke hearts, or even a drizzle of balsamic glaze. The tortilla roll pizza is your blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a masterpiece that reflects your unique taste and style. So, gather your favorite ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and let your imagination run wild. You're just a few creative steps away. Section 5. Beyond Pizza. The Tortilla's Culinary Journey. The Tortilla's culinary potential extends far beyond the realm of pizza. This versatile flatbread can be transformed into countless breakfast treats. Let's explore 2 more delicious recipes that will make you a true tortilla master. From savory to sweet, the tortilla can handle it all. Get ready to be amazed by its adaptability and the endless breakfast possibilities it offers. Section 6. Tortilla corned beef, a savory delight. If you're craving a heartier breakfast option, look no further than the tortilla corned beef. This savory dish combines tender corned beef, melted cheese, and a crispy tortilla for a satisfying and flavorful meal. Subscribe, and share this video. Like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your assignment for this week is to tell someone about Jesus and donate to your local food pantry. Together we can all help feed the world one mouth at a time. The same as Jesus, who fed 5,000 with 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread. If we all give a little, it will be a great amount.